Okay, so hey guys, and I'm playing basic train crossings, and I'm gonna be kind of exploring all the crossings, all the railroad crossings in here. One just activated. Okay, a train is coming. A train. I'm gonna get a car so I don't have to walk. So I don't have to just walk, cause it takes me long. You know. Wait. I hear the train bells. I'm surprised this car doesn't have no turn signals. They go one down there. This has a Satran Type 1 E-Bell. Down this way, there's a walkway path, and it has a General Signals Type 3 E-Bell. That's the latest version. This is a cool. Wait, is this is a private crossing? Yep, here you go. There's always something coming. You never. We just. The trains in this game is very long. You can see the gate lights. Are you serious right now? Wait. Jump on the gate. Wee! Don't actually do that in real life because if the gate breaks, you'll have to pay for it. Yep. That costs a lot of money. Bro, what is this dude bumping into my car for? Like, people always do that in these games. People are crazy in these games. Don't crash. Did I just crash? Oh! Oh my god. This one over here has the first ever GS General Signals E-Bell. It's a GS Type 1. This is a GS Type 1. My finger, I can't even feel my pinky. What is going on? It feels like so weird. The gate is broken. Gates are always broken. There's a couple of crossings. There's some traffic lights in this game, as you already know. Bro, this long train. just crashed. Nope. Let me pause this till I get to the next crossing. Oh my god, I'm still... Drive on the road! Drive on the road! Stop! I'm literally driving straight and I'm not trying to turn. Well, I am kind of. I'm trying to get it to go straight on the road. This is an off-roader, so I can literally drive on the grass if I really want. I ain't gonna get upset. Trains come a lot over here. I'm just gonna wait for it to go down. Oh, this thing is already down. This has a Western Colin Hayes e-bell, and I don't know what mechanical bell that is. Let me pause it to the tree goes back. What? The train's still going by and the gates are already up. Oh, those people just made the gate go up. So the next crossing has an Australian crossing and it's like a pedestrian crossing. This is not activated. It takes a long for those pedestrian crossings. There's even more. There's so much more pedestrian crossings in this game. Okay, so there's 2 pedestrian crossings. This is from Australia. This crossing, well, I'm gonna demo it real quick. Turn it on. This thing don't even turn on. Here you go. I think a train was coming. No, I activated it. No, there actually is a train. The crossing over there is activated now. But over there, crossing over there at the same time. Okay, let me just get away before I get run over. That train is so long. Trains in this game is so long. I believe this has a safe train mechanical bell and a safe train hybrid bell. The train just derailed. Now how am I supposed to get across? Well, this is an off-roader, so... There's a couple of crossings. Oh, this crossing just went up. There's a pedestrian crossing with gates. Oh, but there was another one that I just went to. With JS. Australia, once again, the Australian crossing. I can only record 15 long videos. Yeah, that's it. This has American and Australian American. How do you turn this off? Okay, I got it off. Oop. Okay, this next one has a General Electric. Now this crossing is next to a bunch of traffic lights, and this is gateless, and it has old equipment, really old. It even has old bells too. Bro, go down. A train is probably coming anyway. I might get to those. I might have enough time. Ignore that. That's my dad's name. That's one of his girlfriends or something. Yeah. Just ignore that. This only has a... Well, Western Color Haze is kind of good. Okay. Hey, look, I got it to drop straight. Well, here goes the next crossing right here. Yep, a train is coming anyway. Okay, I'm at a wigwag crossing. This is a wigwag crossing. Oh my god. Yo, have anyone seen a wigwag with a E-bell? Oh, that's it. This is where the wild crossing is. It has this. Whoa, this even has those type of gates. I guess he's taking it. Somebody broke this crossing over here. Yeah, I can't even activate it. Yeah. I'm gonna drive a train. I'm driving this train. You can actually drive it. Okay, I'm driving a train. How do you move this? How do you move this? Bro. Oh, here you go. I'm going past the crossing right now. I'm going more faster. What the? How did it do that? This train controller won't get off my screen. Okay, why is there a crossing? That's weird. Why? This is, yeah, bug us, yeah.